Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to change miles to kilometer on Google Maps. And now let's dive right in. Now to change miles to kilometer on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner and tap on the settings option over here just below your data in Maps. Tap on settings and again scroll down to the bottom of the list where you'll be able to find the navigation settings. Tap on navigation settings and again scroll down, and over here you can see under the map display there it says the distance units. Now in order to change your distance unit to miles, from distance unit to kilometer from miles, tap on the kilometers over here, and next time you search a route on Google Maps it will be on kilometers. And with that being said guys, this is how to change miles to kilometer on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.